And good morning, folks. Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning on this brand new 2019 Chaparral 30 RLS. Nice full fiberglass front cap. Nice front area there where you can store heavy stuff in the front. Come on around. Let's show you some more on this coach. Nice electric awning with LED lighting behind it. Outdoor speakers, pass-through compartment. You've got propane tanks, one on each side of the coach. You've got the nice solid step system with a large grab handle as you enter into the coach. All of your controls are right here as we enter in. So everything you need to control, the slide outs, the awnings, the water heater, lights, it's all right there, folks. This is a really clean, nice short unit. It'll get you into most of the state and federal parks. In the back, you've got a tri-fold bed that'll sleep 3 kids or 2 adults very comfortably. You've got the Thomas Paine electric recliners with heat and massage. Fireplace that works as a heater as well as just for obvious little ambiance there going on. DVD, CD player with a large TV. Tons of cabinets as you go through the coach. Storage area galore. It's got the upgraded Furrion oven and range with a larger 2-door refrigerator. Nice pantry area for storing all of your extra food. What's really nice about this, you got a spot here to put the blender, the coffee pot. You can put both of them there and still have a lot of room left on what I call the hutch. Into the bathroom area, I'm going to let the camera do the work. You've got a porcelain toilet, a nice sink and counter area, plenty of room for linens, and a nice corner shower. It's also got some hangers there for your bath towels. Coming into the bedroom, again, a nice wardrobe closet on the slide out, a wardrobe on this side, USB ports, 110 ports on both sides. This unit's going to have 2 air conditioners, storage under the bed, just lots of storage, set up for another TV. Again, this is a shorter unit, so it's going to allow you to get in to those most state and national parks. Coming to the outside, all of these are set up with pre-wired backup cameras, so you're set up if you want to add a backup camera, you can. Nice ladder to go to the roof and a hitch, a receiver there to add either a bike rack or one of those racks that slide into that receiver hitch, give you additional storage area. Outdoor shower, extra large water heater capacity. Again, pass-through compartment. You've got some docking right here and your one-touch auto level system right here in the compartment. So you get this unhooked, one touch, and it'll level the coach. Really nice unit. So if you have any questions on this coach, or for that matter any of the other 800 units that we happen to have in stock, please feel free to contact me directly at ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com or 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.